So parang, I was a bit stumped myself na parang talaga, ito yung dahilan nyo kung bakit kayo nag-work. Kasi thinking about it, sabi ko nga, I work 10 hours a day. Minsan 11, 12. Kaya tama? Diba kanina tanong sa inyo, 24 hours. So kapag tinanggal mo na ng 10 hours, yung kahit pa 8 hours lang yung office niyo, minsan nag-extend kayo or in between, sa gabi, di ba nagtatrabaho? Di ba, Ena? Di ba may trabaho pa in between? So, if you're going to summarize or sum everything, the number of hours that you work for, it could be 10 to 12 hours. Ano ba? Thank you, Jelmar. Sino yung gusto mong makakasama sa 24 hours? Sige, sagot! Okay. So, if you think about it, no, most of that's a very timely question, Pastor Topher. Kasi kung, hindi ko hinanap ko sa Google, parang tinanong ko lang yung how I use my 24 hours. So 42% of my 24 hours is actually devoted to work. Diba? Tapos, yung 29%, depende kung mahilig kayo matulog, kasi right now, mga 6 to 7 hours ako, minsan 8 hours, pero talagang 6 to 7 eh. Minsan 5 hours. 29% of that is devoted to sleeping. So, 6 to 8 hours. Tapos na natitira na lang, yung mga math wizard dyan. Mga math wizard. So, if you have 10 hours, you have 8 hours, ilan na yun? 18 hours, 2 divided by 5, ilan yun? Ayan, sige. Konti na lang, di ba? And that is devoted, 6 hours, that's devoted to others. Okay, so if you're married, devoted sa mga anak mo, kung meron kayong pets, kung meron kayong, mahilig kayo kung may business kayo, or meron kayong mga personal interests, mga hobbies, 6 hours na lang yun. So sabi ko, if you're going to spend 10 hours of your time out of the 24, you better enjoy those 10 hours. Tama? Parang grabe yun 10 hours, that's actually almost 50% of my life I devote to my work. Kapag ganon, gusto ko, masaya ako, di ba? Doon sa trabaho na ginagawa, I just don't want to survive. Di ba? Yung survive kasi is, you manage to exist. Nandiyan ka lang, flower ka lang. Alam mo yun, parang, ano ba tawag doon? Yung wallflower ka lang. Di ba? Wala kang, I just want to exist. I need to work. I don't have any choice, but I want to work. No? What we want is actually, we want to thrive. Sabi nyo nga, survive, and thrive.
And thrive.
We just don't want to survive. I know it's a very popular song, I Will Survive. Diba? Parang ibig sabihin, you're about to die and I'm going to rise above and survive. But what we want to happen is we want to thrive. We want to bloom. Diba? Sino mga blooming dyan? Sino mga blooming dyan? Uy, si Cindy daw. Diba? We want to bloom, we want to flourish. Diba? We want to grow. We want to blossom. Diba? Yun ang gusto natin.